morning coffee so I can drive up to Boston. I didn't nap at the Grounds Inn yet. I'm tired. I'm kind of sleepy. I'm happy I'm awake. It's time to go to Boston. Let's go. I made it up to Boston, where I met up with my best friend, Olivia. We'll be road tripping up to Acadia National Park over the next week. We're almost ready to leave! Packed up all of our stuff. We got all our groceries. We got all our things. And now car is all packed. We're just got our last minute things now, and we're about to hit the road. First stop is Port Ice. Oh, first stop is ice. Fair enough. And gas. Good first stops. Let's go.
That's my best friend. She a real bad bitch. Got her own money. She don't need no money.
We spent the day leisurely driving north. We stopped to get lunch and, of course, do some thrift shopping in the quaint town of Portsmouth, New Hampshire.
We might need to get some like rope too.
Yeah, that's fine. Our first campsite was at Winslow Memorial Park in Freeport, Maine. We made dinner and set up our camp and then explored the park.
Just assessing the wetness of my shirt.
It's fair. It's pretty wet. It's pretty wet. We also got matching shirts today. They both have the dog print on it. This dog print. They were only $10, so. Thrifted. Yep. Pretty good find, I would say.
10 out of 10 if I can match with my best friend.
Obviously. And then we got compliments all day. It was pretty great.
And very weird looks.
Yes, a lot of people just stared at us. It was pretty funny. That was pretty great too. And now we're walking in the rain at our campsite.
Because me and Zoe somehow always find a way to walk in rain.
Yeah, literally it's like always raining and we're always walking in it. And in nature, which is nice though. But yeah, we're at our first campsite, which is it's right outside Portland, Maine.
It's in Freeport.
This is like a 10 out of 10 like campground.
We're on an island.
Highly impressed. It is on a little like peninsula. It's not an island. It's on a peninsula. And then it's got really good facilities. I think, is that our tent? Yeah. Look, the tarp is still up too. It's great. I forgot my rain fly, or it just wasn't with my tent things, unfortunately. So we had to go to Walmart and get a tarp.
Walmart, always coming in clutch.
Yes, it is. So, all right, peace. I'm not going faster.
So slow.
We made coffee and breakfast at our campsite this morning and then explored a little bit more before we headed on towards Acadia. Where are we?
Portland.
Portland, Maine.
Maine.
Goes in my belly. We spent the day exploring this cute coastal town. We checked out some coffee shops, some thrift stores, and of course, some breweries.
There you go. That's it. You're having a hard time now.
We're in Portland, Maine.
Yep. At the brewery.
At a brewery.
Obviously.
We're at Austin Street. Highly recommend. Really nice. Portland's really cool, actually. A lot of thrift shops, a lot of breweries, a lot of LGBTQ plus flags, which we love.
Double thumbs up.
Now we're heading up to Acadia tonight.
Can't believe we're gonna be there tomorrow. Wake up there.
Yeah, that's gonna be kind of crazy.
Gotta get up really early too, because
Oh yeah,
that's 6 a.m.
that's right, because we're gonna see Cadillac Road. That's funny. Okay. We have really early tomorrow.
You ready?
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, I'm pretty excited. See you there.
The seniors are much more fun. Only the good die young. Only the good die young. Only the good die young.
We made it to our next campsite. This one was outside of Bar Harbor, which was only minutes from Acadia National Park, where we will be heading to catch a very early sunrise at Cadillac Mountain in the morning. But tonight, we made a fire and of course, roasted some vegan hot dogs. Good morning. Good morning. We're going to Cadillac Mountain this morning. Leaving our campsite so early. Let's go. We're doing it. The sun is rising right now. Coffee with a view this morning, right?
Yes. It's almost 7 now.
It's 6:45.
We woke up at 5. 2 hours before coffee is too long before coffee.
Yeah, that's true. That's very true. We went and saw Cadillac Mountain this morning, which was nice. Pretty crowded, but it was really nice. And then this is the view that we're looking at.
honestly know if you can see very well. But should I drive up to one of the front parking spaces?
Yeah, sure.
Get a better look. Sounds good. Just stopping on.
And look at that view.
It's really good one also.
After our early morning, we made lunch back at our camp. We packed up and we got ready for some tide pooling and hiking.
Not the worst rock. Nope, not at all.
How much do you love tide pools?
Just the most, so I can't explain it. Oh, I found the crab again. Hello, sir. I'm not going to disturb you this time. So I already prodded you. And I know it's probably not happening. Oh, look at this shell. It's kind of pink. Ooh, that's interesting. Okay. Well, this snail is all the way out. You can see him. They're having sex, I think.
Oh my god.
I just disturbed them. I'm so sorry, guys. Oh, there's a big crab. Oh, there's a bigger crab.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, there's
A lot of action
There's
going on in this tide pool, huh?
Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, I think I found one.
Whoa.
There's a crab under here. He's really big. I don't want him to pinch me. Oh, these snails are having sex. Look. Wait, dude, this crab is really cool. He's coming to get me though.
Nice.
That's not the one I wanted
After turning over every tide pool, we visited the iconic lighthouse at Bass Harbor. And then, of course, we got ice cream. Cheers. Our next adventure was hiking up Acadia Mountain, which was just incredibly stunning. Take a look. After our long day, we set up in our new campsite. It was a gorgeous and secluded spot that was also just outside the park. We made dinner and a campfire to end our night. This is Jordan Pond, looking out across North and South Bubbles. We had our coffee on the go this morning, so we could try and beat the crowds on this popular hike. It was very worth it. We're going up. After our hike around Jordan Pond, we sunbathed and stared at the sea on Sand Beach. We spent the rest of the afternoon driving around the coast of the park and stopping to admire all of the views.
I touched your toes.
The next morning, we made coffee and packed up our camp for the last time. Then we headed into Acadia for our last day in the park. Olivia, give me a little wave. Things people don't do in National Park that we do. We made our breakfast this morning in a parking lot, ignoring any weird looks that we got. Definitely not making room. Not weird breakfast. Then we hiked one of the steepest and most popular trails in the park, the Beehive Trail. After our hike, we sadly had to leave Acadia and head south towards home. This was the last day of our road trip. We made coffee at this lake and then leisurely drove towards home. We made a few pit stops along the way, stopping in Portland at a community garden. Hammocking and hiking at a wildlife preserve. finally watching the waves crash at a lighthouse. It was the perfect way to wrap up our New England road trip.